Supportsave Solutions mohire og 800 ngadto sa 1,000 ka mga empleyado dinhi sa Sugbo karong tuiga. Si Maris Puyo sa detalye.
Ayong kalabuan na sad na patigayon dinhi sa Sugbo human mi-expand ang kumpanyang Supportsave Solutions sa ilang operasyon sa Robinson Cybergate. Matod ni Beatrice White, ang Vice President and Director for Operations sa Supportsave, nga mohire sila og 800 ngadto sa 1,000 ka mga bag-ong empleyado alang sa ilang expansion.
2014 really had 2014 really is a year of expansion for us. We want to take it to the next level. We have already have 2 other sites outside the Philippines, one in Romania and another one just set up in Canada. So that's it. So hopefully our second home here in Cebu. Currently we have close to 500 employees now. We have reached our max. So hopefully before the year ends, we'll have at least 800 to 1,000 seats.
Niadtong Sabado na-extend usab ang Supportsave og charity assistance sa 47 ka mga natangtangang mga empleyado sa Vector, usa ka BPO nga gipasangilan og illegal closure. Ang mga empleyado nakadawat og tag 5,000 pesos nga hinabang.
You are here today because we want to give you wholeheartedly an amount as an assistance, but not as payment or as part of your salary, so that you can hopefully it will help you fund your job hunting, or to get you by to your next salary if you are working already. And that's really it. I don't know each one of you. I don't know what your positions are. I don't know what your salaries are because we didn't get that list. I only have names, but that's that. I am sorry if you have misconceptions or whatnot. We tried our best to have them here and to negotiate on your behalf and to mediate so that we can put an end to this, because it's also a bad reputation for the BPO industry. If you would say that we are after publicity or we are after sourcing more candidates, yes, we are guilty of that. But wholeheartedly, we're just here to offer assistance and help. Each one of you here today will receive an amount of 5,000 as an assistance. And the only thing that you will sign is a voucher that says charity assistance. That's all. No quit claim, no nothing, no nothing.
Kini si Maris Puyo para sa Sun.Star Pilipinas.